Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how easy it is to retrofit MK2430 with a CP305. First of all, you have to connect your computer via TM cassette to the MK2430, download the TM cassette file and save it on your computer. In the next step, you do the replacement of a MK2430 with a CP305, connect via Ethernet your computer to the CP305, type in the IP address and connect your computer to the CP305. In the next step, you click on Tools, Service, the last point, Import TM cassette. We choose the file, open the file and click on Upload file. Now you see the message that the import was successful, and we see we uploaded 20 alarm addresses, 1 test address and 5 device failure monitoring points. We can double check it. Here, device failure monitoring, 5 points integrated. Here, 20 alarm addresses uploaded, including the standard sound. Important, check it hard that all alarm addresses are correct for your system, and 1 test address. Now we are finished and you see the green screen on the CP305. The device is ready to alarm in case of failure. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.